Besides the touch of smoothness that it brings in space, wood is the only material that can be made glossy, polished or any form of finish desirable. Today, there are numerous techniques available to make it the way you exactly want it to turn out. Even if you decide to leave it as it is with little or no modifications, wood can be crafted into one-of-a-kind, remarkable designs and decor elements that would portray its unique features, textures and grains. It is perfect to complement any style, decor, and color tone. Above all, with wood you will never run out of inspiration. There are several wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces you could easily make and get to use. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Wood is one of the most versatile materials when it comes to visuals. It is not only easy to work with and design, but also can be used in different ways to achieve different levels of aesthetic charm, and the level of warmth and earthiness it adds into a space. It can even be painted, sculpted, or stained to add a stunning edge to your space. From simple furnishings to spectacular ornate walls and floors, wood is the dream material of many home designers. When used the right way, wood can completely transform a place. Although wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces are not replaceable in their role for your home decor, there are other items you can use to follow along. Some of these are rugs and mats, decorative pillows, coffee tables and so on. Let's talk about these items a little bit deeper in the following sections. Looking at rugs and mats, you might think the only way to keep your home looking clean and polished is with completely bare floors, but that's not quite correct. Floor attire including small rugs and mats can completely transform your home's atmosphere. Just place a welcome mat at your entryway to create an additional layer of depth and texture. Or you could place a small mat by the sink in the kitchen to tie the whole room together. You'll bring new bliss to washing dishes and chopping veggies. Regarding decorative pillows, nothing says warm and cozy quite like some nice decorative pillows. These simple home decor additions make a practical, fashionable impact. There are endless options to choose from for any color scheme or room theme. You can place your stylish pillows on beds, couches, benches, sofas, chairs, or even just in an eye-catching basket. Whether you go for bright colors and bold patterns or neutral tones and simple designs, your home will look alluring. Plus, you'll always have a pillow to rest your head on. Coffee tables are also great home decor items. Think of those picturesque living room scenes you see in interior design magazines with big comfy couches, fireplaces, and stylish coffee tables. You too can bring that wow factor into your home. Coffee tables come in so many shapes and sizes that you can surely find one to complement your home decor vision. Go for a table that checks every box off your list, such as construction material, color, shape, and size. You could use these tables to stack your books or display a vase of flowers on them. Well viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.